Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is our neighborhood. I am Hassan. The area near my house is my neighborhood. There are many families and many places in my neighborhood. There are shops, homes, masjid, parks and playground near my house. This is my house. It has bedroom, a kitchen, a store, laundry, garden. Kinds of houses: bungalow, hut, mud house, apartment. If we put the trash outside, we make neighborhood dirty. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Put the trash in the dustbin. Don't spit everywhere. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.